Hello, and welcome to Code Clinic for Python. My name is Baron Stone, and I'm excited to show you my solutions for the challenges proposed to the Code Clinic authors. In this month's series, we'll explore creative and efficient ways to use Python to solve a range of problems. I'll describe some of the unique aspects of working with this language and show you some tips on how to make your code run faster, be more reliable, as well as pointers on making it more readable. If you're going to become a better programmer, it's important to look at different ways of solving the same problem. If you search the lynda.com library for Code Clinic, you'll find additional courses by different authors using other languages. Each Code Clinic author solves the exact same set of problems, so you can compare different solutions as well as the pros and cons of each language. If you're looking for tips on better coding or trying to decide on your next new programming language, you're gonna love Code Clinic. So, let's get started with Code Clinic for Python.